Here's a little video to show you how to change the battery in your key. This is an Audi TT, but I believe it's the same on the sort of A4 or A3, that sort of age. This sort of key here, which has seen better days. Okay. First things first, you've got to get it apart. So sometimes you can pull it, sometimes you have to use a screwdriver, and you need to pull it apart from in here. There we go. There it is, apart. And you'll see you've got that bit and this bit. Okay, you don't need this bit now, so over there, stay. Next, this bit here. What you now need to do is split it in half. So you just pull it apart like that. There's a battery there. So what you do is you get your, take that out. Remember which way around it goes. It is a 2032, okay? And the writing, the plus side, goes down, okay? So get your new battery. What I have here is a new one, okay? And on my new one, it shows me quite clearly here to put it up high, away from children. But there's no children here, so I can leave it on the desk. That's safe. Right, plonk that in there, like that. Click it down. That hasn't clicked down. Try again. Put it in, click it down. Done. Then reverse. Put that back on. And then slide that bad boy back in. Clickety-click. Way! And battery's changed. All good. You're welcome.